Punjab now, where hectic parleys are on to choose the successor of Captain Amrinder Singh. Now, sources are telling your channel that the race is between two candidates as far as the next Chief Minister is concerned. Navjot Singh Sidhu and Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa given to understand that after the CLP meeting was cancelled and a decision was to be taken by the party top brass, now it looks like there are two people, Navjot Singh Sidhu and Sukhjinder Randhawa, who are likely to make the cut for the next Chief Minister. My colleagues are getting us the very latest from on ground. Gurpreet's reporting from Chandigarh. He's tracking all the very latest as far as the hectic parleys are on ground there. Sharon, Mohit and Ranjita join me from New Delhi to get us more details. But Gurpreet, coming to you first, the race is now closing in. We're given to understand out of the many contenders that were being looked into, the fight now is to two people, Navjot Singh Sidhu and Mr. Randhawa.
Well, yes, of course, that since morning we have seen that a lot of turns and twists are coming in the politics of Punjab and especially in Congress. After removal of Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, we have seen that the Congress party is trying to look a new Chief Minister. And what we have learned from the inside sources, they say that now the demand from the MLAs that has come very clear that there should be a Jat Sikh leader for the Chief Minister candidate. And for that, there is a fight between Navjot Singh Sidhu and Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa is going on. Now the party high command will take a final decision, but as of now they are also trying to bat for the Hindu leader Sunil Jakhar. But now in the race front line, front runners are Navjot Singh Sidhu and Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa. Now the party will decide, because it's very clear for the after 5 months a lot of MLAs, they say that they will go to the constituency and it will be dangerous for the Congress in the upcoming elections. For that they are also advising and guiding the party that there is need to take a decision in favor of a Jat Sikh leader, and that should be
absolutely. That is what is happening behind closed doors there in Chandigarh. Sorry to interrupt you there, Gurpreet. I will come back to you, but Ranjita, I believe you have gathered some information from within your sources within the Congress party. क्या सूत्र बता रहे हैं?
देखिए, सूत्रों से जो जानकारी मिल रही है, अब ये अहम जानकारी इसलिए क्योंकि अब तक जो कांग्रेस आला कमान इस पशोपेश में थी कि मुख्यमंत्री सिख हो या हिंदू, वो साफ हो गया है। सूत्र ये बता रहे हैं कि अब कांग्रेस आला कमान की तरफ से ऑब्जर्वर्स को ये निर्देश दे दिया गया है कि वो सिख चेहरे पर फोकस करें। इसका मतलब मुख्यमंत्री कोई सिख ही होगा। अब इसको लेकर जो आगे का कार्यक्रम है वो शुरू कर दिया गया है। JW मेरियट चंडीगढ़ में मैं मौजूद हूँ और ऑब्जर्वर्स यहीं पर बैठे हुए हैं। अलग अलग MLAs यहाँ पहुँचे हुए हैं। सिद्धू खेमे के MLAs पहुँचे हुए हैं। सुखविंदर सिंह रंधावा जो रेस में सबसे आगे चल रहे हैं, वो अभी कुछ देर पहले पहुंचे हैं और यहाँ पर जो पर्यवेक्षक आए हैं उनसे उनकी मुलाकात हो रही है। हमारे सूत्र बता रहे हैं कि सुखविंदर सिंह रंधावा अगले मुख्यमंत्री हो सकते हैं पंजाब के, ऐसी खबर निकल कर आ रही है। देर शाम तक अनाउंसमेंट की बात कही जा रही है, लेकिन उनके साथ 2 उप मुख्यमंत्री होगा। हिंदू चेहरा कौन, उस पर अभी तय नहीं हो पाया है। ऑब्जर्वर्स MLA से बात कर रहे हैं और जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हिंदू उप मुख्यमंत्री कौन हो। और अरुणा चौधरी जो बताया जा रहा है कि उप मुख्यमंत्री में इनका नाम भी अब सामने आ रहा है। अरुणा चौधरी का नाम सिद्धू खेमे से सामने आ रहा है। ये पूरी खबर सूत्रों से मिल जानकारियों के मुताबिक मैं आप तक पहुंचा रही हूं। ये अब तय हो गया है कि जो मुख्यमंत्री है वो सिख मुख्यमंत्री होगा। जिस तरह से गुरप्रीत बता रहे थे कि 2 नाम जो है वो सामने है, एक सुखविंदर सिंह रंधावा और दूसरे नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू। सिद्धू को बनाने में जो जोखिम है कांग्रेस पार्टी के अंदर वो ये कि जिस तरह से खुले तौर पर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने खिलाफ एक बयान जो दिया है कल जब इस्तीफा देने के बाद, उसमें ये साफ हो गया कि अगर नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को मुख्यमंत्री बनाया जाता है तो कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह पार्टी छोड़ देंगे और ऐसी स्थिति पैदा हो सकती है। और इसके अलावा जो टूट कांग्रेस में होगी, क्या कांग्रेस आने वाले विधानसभा चुनाव में इस टूट के लिए तैयार है तो नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को मुख्यमंत्री बनाए। लेकिन सुखविंदर सिंह रंधावा का नाम एडजस्ट करने की कोशिश इसलिए क्योंकि हो सकता है उसके नाम पर कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह की उतनी नाराजगी ना हो। तो इन तमाम चीजों को, तमाम पहलुओं पर नजर बनी हुई है। पर्यवेक्षक लगातार बात कर रहे हैं और उम्मीद की जा रही है अगले 3 से 4 घंटे में अहम फैसला सबके सामने होगा।
फैसला इज नॉट वेरी फार अवे Like Gurpreet was also saying, there are two front runners now. The race is down to these two people, Navjot Singh Sidhu and to Mr. Randhawa, both of whom have their own following and have their own camps as far as the Punjab politics of the Congress unit is concerned. Now, Mohit, if Sidhu is at the helm of affairs, be it as a chief minister or even as the party chief, it is going to be a disaster for the Congress. This comment came in from none other than Amrinder Singh, who has given his heart and soul to the party and to the state.
Well, you see, when Captain Amrinder Singh yesterday resigned from his post, and we saw that when he spoke to the media channels, he attacked Navjot Singh Sidhu again and again, and he also attacked Navjot Singh Sidhu's alleged leaning towards Pakistan. The message that Captain Amrinder Singh wanted to give to the people on the ground and to the High Command was that Sidhu is not the right choice for the post of Chief Minister, and that is why he again and again raised certain questions on his leaning, his inclination. But we also know for a fact that party High Command is also not willing to give that post to Sidhu. But we also know that how party will have to cater to the sentiments on the ground. There is a huge vote bank of Sikh community in Punjab, and just within 6 to 7 months when we have to go to elections, you cannot take risk, and that is why now we see that our colleagues have been reporting from the ground that two Sikh faces can be the next chief minister. One Hindu face can be the deputy chief minister, and another could be a Dalit face. So to cater all the communities, this decision could be taken. And as we were discussing, Poonam, earlier, that a sacrilege issue is of the prime importance. Now, Congress came in power in 2016 by raking up the sacrilege issue that yes, we will put the people who are behind the bars, will also take action against the Akalis. And Sidhu since starting has been saying that Captain Amrinder Singh did not take any action against the Akalis. Now, if Navjot Singh Sidhu is made the chief minister, what action would Captain Amrinder Singh takes, that remains to be seen, because he is very unhappy with Navjot Singh Sidhu, and Navjot Singh Sidhu, even after being appointed as a PCC chief, was attacking Captain Amrinder Singh at personal level, and hence that would not be taken well by Captain Amrinder Singh if Navjot Singh Sidhu is made the chief minister. So all the permutations and combinations are going on. It's a very tough decision for the Congress High Command, and that is why we saw that at 11 a.m. the CLP that had to take place did not take place. Hectic parleys are going on at the Congress headquarters, at the top leadership of the Congress party, whether they'll have to decide that who exactly would be the next chief minister, because that phase would be very important. You can have two deputy chief ministers, but the chief minister's phase would be very important, and with that phase you will go to the elections, because we know for a fact that how with the face of Captain Amrinder Singh in 2016, Congress went to elections in Punjab, and now we know for a fact that with face of Rahul Gandhi, with face of Sonia Gandhi or any other senior leader, you cannot go for elections in Punjab, and that is why you'll have to have a strong face as the chief minister, because we know that this time around Akalis could also gain ground. We know that Aam Aadmi Party could also gain ground in these elections. Hence you have to have a strong chief minister and somebody who can take the party together. Just 5 to 6 months before the election, you cannot have the chief minister fighting with the other leaders like we were having few months ago when Captain Amrinder Singh was fighting with Navjot Singh Sidhu. And hence you have to have a strong face, and for that deliberations are going on.
Absolutely, and it's not just about a strong face, it's also about a compromise candidate, because Sherin, this person who is going to lead the state as a chief minister and the party going into elections, will have to find the middle ground between both camps, between supporters of Captain Amrinder Singh, who also will have to be placated now after what we saw yesterday.
Absolutely. You rightly pointed out that whoever is going to be the face of Punjab right now has to keep a balance between both the camps, because right now it is clearly a divided house as far as Punjab Congress is concerned. And that is why it is becoming very important for the Congress party to come to the High Command, to come to a name, come to a face that could actually keep a balance and go into the elections next year. And this should also, the new face should also have a prominent impact on the elections, is what should be the aim of the Congress party. And we have already seen that there is, of course, a number of sections within the Congress party that is hitting out at the High Command with the kind of dramatic turns of event that has in fact happened. We have seen for months altogether this particular issue between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu was in fact being delayed time and again. There was in fact a committee that was headed by 3 members that was looking into the matter, but clearly the issues were not resolved at that point. point, and now there are senior leaders within the Congress that is in fact coming out and saying that the time it has happened, immediately there should have been action that has been taken up, and the problem should have been resolved. Clearly, the resignation of Captain Amrinder Singh is going to impact the Congress position in the upcoming elections, and not just Punjab. There are, of course, the BJP and the other parties that are also criticizing the Congress, the way the matter has in fact been taken care by the
Right.
Congress party, that how not just in Punjab, we are seeing the after effects in other states as well, be it Chhattisgarh, be it Rajasthan. These are something that the High Command should have taken in consideration. Immediately the thing should have been resolved, but now it has ended with Captain Amrinder Singh resigning, and now the High Command is in a fix to
Absolutely,
decide
that
who is
catch-22 situation as far as the crisis in Punjab is continuing for the party top brass here in New Delhi as well. For the moment, Mohit and Sharin, thank you so much for getting us those details.